let's look at the double stick angle 1, angle 2 partner drill. So we're going to first check distance to see that we are at long range. Now if we go hand, where I can hit his hand and he can hit my hand, sometimes we can miss. So if you want, you can go a bit closer until you can reach his forearm and he can reach your forearm. This is also fine. From here, Zarir is going to come forward in any one side. I'm going to go back on the same side, just like we did in the ranging footwork, and Zarir goes angle 1 and 2. And then the other side, 1. Now Zarir goes back, I come forward. Same thing on the other side. We go sideways. We go sideways. Now we go double step. And pause. Now everything we're doing right now is all fluid strikes. So I want that nice follow through. We also want to load properly. So in double stick, like we spoke about in the solo training version, I don't have much space on top of my shoulder here for both my sticks. So my other stick is going to come here on the side of my shoulder. This leaves it free to strike, whereas over here it can get stuck. I'm making sure my sticks are parallel to the ground and parallel to each other. Here also, just like in ranging footwork, I initially go back because the reed comes forward, but eventually we fall into a flow, right? That's why it's called a flow drill, where we are moving together and not necessarily in a reaction to each other. We're moving together with each other. Couple of things to keep in mind: make sure your edge is aligned the entire time. So where these knuckles are is where the edge is, not the punching knuckles, but these knuckles are where the edge is. Make sure your wrist is aligned and you're not flailing your wrist forward like this. Make sure that when you're striking, you're not going from up here, you're going from here. And the most important thing is I'm not punching forward. I'm making sure my weapon is forward, not my fist where it's going to get hit. I want my weapon to lead the way and I want a nice follow through.